A pre-owned 2008 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Ford has less than 73,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, and traction control.